That certain night, the night we met, there was a magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cap went out and drafted a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie boogie bugle boy of Company B. A toot, a toot. Bless 'em all, bless 'em all, the long and the short and the tall. Bless all the sergeants and WO1s, bless all the corporals and their blinking sons, 'cause we're saying goodbye to them all, as back to their billets they crawl. You'll get no promotion this side of the ocean, so cheer up, my lads, bless 'em all. Of all the boys I've known, and I've known some, until I first met you, I was lonesome. Then you came in sight, dear, my heart grew light. This old world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I racked my brain, hoping to explain all the things that you do to me. By me, Mr. Schoen, please let me explain. By me, Mr. Schoen, means you're grand. So won't you please say hello to the folks that I know. Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny